Thumbnail making of. Click. Hello everyone, today we're going to look at this Timemicro set. Golf car hauler trailer set in a 1/64 scale from the Timemicro factory. That means very good quality, but that also means it's a non-licensed product. Yes, of course, I will place a link in the description of the video down below where I bought it. I bought it on AliExpress. Monster Energy. Do we have more information? Yes, but not much. And this QR code is going, I think, to the WeChat app, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, let's open this box to see what's inside. Oh, hey, we got a barcode here on the side, and we can also see a picture of what is inside. Very good to know is that you don't have to order the complete set. You can also order this loose. But like I said, if you follow the link, you will find out yourself. Okay, let's take this out. So we got this one over here, the Civic. We got the monster trailer. And we got this one right here. We're going to start with the Civic. Hoonigan Division Toy tires. Let's take the plastic off. Yeah, here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. There we go. Very well packed. Everything is there. Nice bumper. I like this details right here and here. Honda logo. Do we have an opening part right here? No, no opening part. We do have windscreen wipers, side mirrors. We even have a sunroof. Let's have a look inside. Oh, seat belts, nice. Black interior, no colored details. And here we can have a better look at the seat belts. There is, I can't read what is on the seat belts. Takata or something like that. Let's see if that's good. Very nice rims. I don't believe these are rolling wheels. Big spoiler in the back. Again, Honda logo in the middle. The exhaust, Hoonigan, Lance rear lights. Okay, let's take this beauty off the base. 2 screws. Not a big fan of screws. I'm a fan of box package. There we go. Okay, so here we have the base. It's a metal base, and that's what I like about, that is one of the things I like about Timemicro. no rolling wheels, just like I was expecting. Okay, the front wheels are rolling. But the wheels in the back, okay, they roll a little bit. It's not that bad. I have seen worse with Timemicro. Yeah, Block, the driver, may you rest in peace. Okay, let's put it right here. Nice background, by the way. Fantastic if you want to take a picture. Okay, let's make some room right here. And then we're going to have a look at the Rubicon. Again, a very nice package, very well done. Some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Timemicro definitely should try to get a license for their products. Quality is there. So the only thing that is missing is the license. And if they can get a license, they can enter the European Western market. Yeah, same background as the Civic. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it is the same. They say Block and Gelsomino. Yeah, this is a beauty. And I already knew that because I also have the Jurassic Park version of this one. 1/64 scale. They're limited to 999. Same with this one. The antenna, be careful with the antenna. It could easily break. Ah, there is heating in the back window. Time model, what does it say? Time model design. Nice, those exhaust here in the back, the exhaust. Good spare tire also, windscreen wiper, and yeah, I already mentioned the heating. Nice roof, just ain't care. Very nice with those colors. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, good interior. Again, no color details. We will have a look at the one from Jurassic Park later in this video. And also the other Timemicro sets I've got. Lens front lights, nice bumper. Okay, let's take this off the base. Oh, I forgot to mention that this one also have brake claws and brake disc. There you can see it, and if you spin the wheel, they will stay on their place. Good rolling wheels, by the way, of this one. Hey. Yeah, it is a metal base. I thought this one had more details. We have to check with the other one later. Silver exhaust. Yeah. And a tow bar. Okay, let's place it here. And then the last one, the hauler. Feels very light. 164. Here we got some information. I've already pre-ordered another one with a yellow Porsche and a yellow V-dub van. And Timemicro is also coming with a Red Bull version with a Land Rover Defender. Okay, have to open also here on this side now. That's the way to do it. Very nice, the Monster logo. Yeah, it's a little bit the same like the Mini GT trailer. Monster logo, and you can put some accessories or tires here. Those are also available on AliExpress. We'll show you those later. Yeah, this is very handy. That is perfect. I like that. But this is oh no, it is. This is a metal base. Yep. The wheels are rolling very well. Okay, so what do we get? We put the trailer here, the back, and then the car here. And we have a very nice set. Let's be honest, that is really cool looking. That is a perfect set. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this right here to the other sets I've got. First, I'm going to show you, let's put some light. There's not much light in here. So this is the other one I've got. I've got both Jurassic Park versions. And yeah, this one is my favorite. The other one has the classic Jurassic Park logo. Nope, same amount of details on this one too. This is a matte color, black color base. This one a little bit more shiny. Jeep logo, and this one has a storage box on top, I guess. Okay, let's put it back here on the American diorama, off-road diorama. Okay, let's take this one here. Okay, we've already seen the, let's put this one right here for a while. And then this one goes there. So, okay, so this was the first set I bought from Timemicro with the custom V-dub. This is the trailer with the yeah, there we go. Oh no, my camera. It's a little bit difficult for my camera. Yeah, Stella Artois. This was the first set that was launched on the market. Still available on AliExpress, and you can look up the video I made about this set, and there's a link in the description of where I bought it. Oh, it comes with a license plate. V-dub, and it says TI pickup. And this is the Porsche that came with it. Also nice rims. Lots of good details. and a metal base. Okay, then the second set I bought, also from Ken Block, is this one right here. First we're going to have a look at this one. This one doesn't belong to a set. You can order this one loose. I believe it's still available. Snake, it says on the license plate. And this one is also perfect for here. Et voila. That is very cool. Yeah, this is the other set. So basically, same feed up. So I also ordered a yellow version of this one. That one is available for pre-order. Good rolling wheels, a little bit wobbling. There we go. Wobbling wheels. And also a metal base. And this is the Porsche. Yeah, I love these Porsches from Timemicro. Hoonigan on the license plate. Then I have this Ken Block figure in a 1/64 scale. This is from Cartrix. Available at Tom's Model Cars. These are €8 a piece for a figure. I think that's a really good price. Very good looking 1/64 figure. Yeah, here is the package. Figures, doesn't say anything about the brand. That is weird, but it's from the brand Cartrix. Also got Marilyn Monroe, Mr. Ferrari, the Queen, but they have a lot of more figures, also from the Terminator, from Jim Carrey. You definitely have to check out that brand because very good 1/64 figures for a really good price. Also got this one. I have to say that it is really nice. The only thing I didn't like about this was the base. Too much plastic, big holes here. Don't like that. But the rest of the car is looking fantastic. Does it fit on the trailer? Yes, it does. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Have a very nice day, and I will see you soon. Bye.